Hey guys, this is Monika. I welcome you all to another exciting video of my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to make a cute birthday card. This card is very simple and easy to make. You can make it without any fancy materials. So without wasting time, let's get started. For making the card, we need white cardboard paper. I cut it in 12 into 12 centimeters. A scissor, gum, a sketch pen, any color you can use, and few color chart papers. And last but not the least, few woolen threads. This is all we need to start. On the first step, you need to cut the white cardboard paper in the card size you want. Then just take any waste paper, thick paper, and draw a heart shape on it. After drawing the heart shape as the size you want, all you need to do is just cut it. And after cutting the base, all you need to do is draw heart on the color papers and cut them out. And I cut out the color hearts like this. Then all we need to do is to paste these hearts on the top of the paper. Paste the gum behind the heart. And paste it like you wish. I pasted out all the hearts. It's looking beautiful, right? Yeah, colorful hearts. Now it's time to connect the hearts with the help of a sketch pen. All you need to do is to draw a line like this and connect them at one place. Like this. And this is the connection part. Now we need these woolens. Just make a knot and cut it out. Shape like a bow shape. Then paste the gum here and the bow. And it is ready. Inside the card, you can write anything you want, any message, happy birthday, anything, thank you, sorry, any type of card it can be. I have written thank you inside it for you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Please hit the red icon. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.